I'm going to call out the finger numbers so that you can follow along with the melody. I'm on the 6th fret and 4th fret mostly. There's one 3rd fret thing that you'll see me reach for. Here we go. 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Or on that end part you could go 3, 3. See how I'm leaning that down or laying that down? 3, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Ready, go. Ready, go. 'Should probably be counting this in 6 because I think it's a 6/8 or 12/8 feel, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm just going to count off 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 'Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
One, two, three.